How to book an appointment through Charm EHR portal. Step 1. Sign in. Begin by signing in to your patient portal. Step 2. Access appointment preferences. On your patient portal dashboard, click the pink plus sign to enter your appointment preferences. Step 3. Request appointment. A pop-up window labeled Request Appointment will appear. Choose Leah Hughes under the provider name. Select the type of visit you prefer, either video or in person, and the duration of the visit. The closest available date will be displayed. Available times will be shown at the bottom left side. Step 4. Check availability. If the soonest available date does not work for you, click the slider to view availabilities for the upcoming weeks. Step 5. Input visit reason. Enter the reason for your visit, such as a follow-up, laboratory results review, or any notes you want to share about the upcoming visit. Click Submit. Step 6. Confirm appointment. Once you have submitted the request, you will see the date and time you booked under the Upcoming Appointments tab. Step 7. Video consults. For video consultations, click the Check-in button next to your appointment details to join the Zoom meeting. A friendly reminder to ensure you have the Zoom app ready before the visit. By following these steps, you can easily book and manage your appointments through the Charm EHR patient portal. Hope this helps. See you on your appointment.